What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well today. In today's video, I'll be telling you about these 10 fashion rules that I have been breaking and maybe you can break them too.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer? Je vais te nommer l'amour.
Let's be real guys. Most of the fashion rules out there are outdated, boring and just plain wrong. Today we'll be flipping the script and I'll give you 10 bold ways to break these fashion rules for once and all. If you haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Saloni, and if you want to stick around, please press the bell icon down below. And now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Rule number 1. Stop matching everything. So guys, the time to match your shoes to your bag, your earrings to your belt, your socks to your, outfit is now over. In fact, the new charm is in the chaos. So clash it up. Rule number 2. Neutrals are not your default. Let's be honest guys, we all have been guilty of falling back to the neutrals. I mean blacks, brown, beiges, they are our comfort zone, right? But here today I'm going to tell you, you don't have to make it your default. You can go out there and try bright poppy hues as well. For example, a cobalt blue, a fiery orange, a hot pink. I mean, that can be your default too, or at least an option. So try it out. Rule number 3. Wearing evening wear in the day. Now guys, I'm sure we all have this set of clothing that we reserve for dinners and evening wear. Like a velvet suit or a sequins jacket or something with a lot of glitter and sparkles. But why do we have to wear it only in the evening? I mean, it's an old fashion rules that diamonds are for the night and stuff like that. But honestly, why do we have to follow them? I mean, we can bling it up whenever we want, can't we? Wearing a sequins jacket or a velvet blazer during the day, it can have its own vibe. In fact, I feel we really need to try it out this summer. To balance it, you can pair it with casual pieces like sneakers or a denim bag, or wearing a velvet blazer with denim jeans or something like that, so that it doesn't look too over the top. But yes, I totally feel that the pieces we reserve specifically for evening wear can also totally be used during the day. Rule number 4. Comfort isn't lazy. Goodbye too high stilettos or too tight jeans. The new rule? Comfort is chic. I mean guys, think of those oversized blazers, really flattering high-waist jeans, and the loose silhouettes. I mean, they're totally chic and in, aren't they? And honestly, the old saying that only wear flip-flops by the poolside, it's so outdated and we really need to break these old rules. I mean, wear whatever makes you feel the most comfortable, because when you're comfortable, you radiate confidence, and confidence is the key to looking good at all times. Rule number 5. Logos are not tacky. So guys, I'm sure we've all heard a lot of high fashion ladies and gentlemen claim that wearing logos is tacky. But honestly, I don't feel so. I mean, if someone is able to buy something that's extremely high-end, it just shows how hard they've worked in their lives to reach that point. And it's totally okay to be proud of your hard work and just carry it around with confidence. So guys, I don't agree with the fashion norm that logos are tacky. In fact, wearing logos can actually be quite cool and chic. In fact, I feel it's totally okay to wear a piece or two with logos and then pair it up with other pieces that are not so branded. So mixing it up a little is totally cool, and wearing logos is definitely not tacky. Rule number 6. Mix high and low like a pro. Rock that $10 jacket from a thrift store with your designer bag. Or wear a simple tank top with a pair of luxe pants. I mean, mixing high and low is the new in, And I think that's the new way to go, and it totally works. Rule number 7. And guys, this is also my favorite rule. And that is, do not dress for your body. Dress for your attitude. Forget dressing for your body type. Dress for your attitude. Wear whatever makes you feel powerful and makes you radiate confidence. Who says only certain body types can wear certain things? Who has decided it for us? We should be able to choose whatever we want to wear, and we should wear whatever goes with our vibe. So do not dress for your body, dress for your attitude. Rule number 8. Messy can be chic. Guys, perfectly polished outfits are great, but let me tell you a secret. A little bit of imperfection is actually better. And that is because imperfection is real. I mean, leave your shirt half untucked, wear bed hair out. It's totally cool and chic. In fact, it'll make you look way more confident, and people will really like how real you are. So messy can be chic. Rule number 9. And guys, this one can be slightly controversial, but you need to hear my point of view. And the rule is, stop saving outfits for special occasions. I mean guys, we all have that special dress or a special outfit that we are saving for some special occasion. I say wear it now. Wear it when you have the chance. I mean, life's too short and we do not know what will happen tomorrow. If the special occasion we have in our mind and we are saving the outfit for that particular day will even happen the way we expect it to happen, and honestly, life's just too short to anticipate these things, and we should just live each day as if it's the most important day of our life. So I would say wear your special outfits as soon as you can. In fact, wear them now. And guys, now the final rule, rule number 10, and that is, trends don't matter, style does. Guys, trends come and go all the time, but your personal style is forever. You can use trends as inspiration, but you don't have to use them as a rule book. Guys, be trendsetters, not trend followers. And guys, that was it for today's video. Please let me know in the comments which rule do you want to break, if any. Also, I had such a blast making this video and hoping to see you all in my next. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.